We go to the movies to feel something, but behind every emotional performance and cinematic magic, there is a loud, grinding, mechanical reality. The historian Paul Rotha famously described cinema as the great unresolved equation between art and industry. It is a foundational tension woven into the earliest comprehensive studies of the medium's history. The moving image did not begin as a blank canvas for self-expression. It started as a rigid, heavy technological process, a mechanical puzzle that required precise engineering just to function. To even attempt to make a film, early creators needed massive financial capital. Setting up a film studio was functionally closer to opening a heavy manufacturing plant than buying a set of paintbrushes. When moving pictures debuted in the 1890s, they were marketed as a cheap, disposable thrill for the urban masses. There was absolutely no artistic prestige attached to them. So, how did a machine built strictly to generate profit and mass distraction develop a soul and become the defining art form of the 20th century? We often think of film history as a straight timeline written by untouchable, visionary directors. We picture the archetypal solo genius, like Orson Welles, bending the entire medium to his singular will. Or we look at highly revered auteurs like Ingmar Bergman, framing their work as pure, unadulterated individual expression. But the reality of those images is much more complex. Behind every director is a vast ecosystem of chemists, laboratory technicians, and manual laborers who physically process and manufacture the final product. As the industry matured, the studio system formalized this labor. They built a rigid assembly line process specifically designed to maximize financial returns by keeping thousands of crew members, lights, and cameras moving in perfect synchronization. In cinema, the artist is never truly independent. Their vision is always subject to the mechanical limits and financial demands of the industrial machine. That industrial machine expanded at a staggering pace. Within 20 years of its debut, cinema exploded into a massive global industry. The mass audience demand was overwhelming. Theaters transformed into economic and cultural landmarks, with their massive advertisements dominating the architecture of major cities. And while Hollywood eventually took a massive share of the market, robust independent cinematic cultures grew simultaneously all over the world, filling crowded streets in regions like Japan with their own promotional banners. Governments quickly recognized the raw power of the medium, utilizing the technology to broadcast propaganda and national education campaigns across Europe and Asia. Which brings us back to the paradox. How did true art manage to evolve within these rigid, monitored, and profit-driven factories? The answer is that mass-produced commercial genres, like slapstick comedy and melodrama, served as the vital testing grounds for new artistic movements. Because the sheer scale of early productions required massive investments, directors were forced to invent complex visual cues and new camera techniques, simply to keep the audience engaged and ensure a return on that investment. The intense constraints of commercial appeal didn't destroy the art. They provided the exact pressure needed to forge an entirely new, universal visual language. The period between 1895 and 1930, the silent era, was the critical window where cinema transitioned from a mechanical novelty into a titan of global culture. The ultimate lesson from this era is that mass production and artistic significance do not cancel each other out. They rely entirely on one another. This logic model shows what that unresolved equation looks like in practice. You need investment capital to fund the technology, you need the technology to create the art, and you need the art to generate the capital. And that exact structural tension from the 1920s is identical to what drives today's massive blockbusters. Every time the lights dim in a theater, you are witnessing an ongoing battle between the financial ledger and the artistic lens. It is an equation that was never meant to be solved.